Hi guys, 15-17 batch, the small batch but smart batch as per my observation, because I remember my first interaction with you on 20th July. It was an inaugural and the next day I was taking on time management. How we are being changed from a caterpillar to a butterfly. So now you are into the reach to the destination, your final destination of your college life. You have enjoyed it, you have learned it, and also you end your career now from here. So that's good and really wonderful to see all you guys with all this brightness. My only suggestion is to you is that, so please maintain your attitudes and put your effort. Without effort nothing will come. Hope you already understood even at the time of IAPs or the placement. Yeah, another uniqueness when if I want me to share the energy levels even after coming IAP. Let me frankly tell, there are certain batches where after coming from IAP they are not having all that energy levels. Initially you are also there, but after that you are again picked up. That was one of the best thing what I observed from your batch. You are ready to learn, you will be coming and you are regular. That was a fantastic job you have done, and there is a lot of big job is in front of you. All the best to you. Congratulations once again, and prove yourself, and also be a part of the IHM family. All the best.
Hello dear students, and very happy to tell something about 2015-17 batch students. Always this batch is going to be one of the best and special batch to all the faculty members, and we are very happy with their attitudes, their behavior and the way they are in the campus, and we hope that they'll be like this forever. And all the best for your corporate world, and keep up your attitude, the same behavior, and I hope that you'll promote the ITM brand and keep up the ITM brand. All the best.
Hi guys, batch 15-17. I have a very great time with all of you. You all are very disciplined. And one message for you is like, live as if you die tomorrow and learn as if you live forever. Keep learning even you have been after going out from this campus. You might have been read and reproduced in the exam year during these 2 years, but from tomorrow onwards you are supposed to observe and apply. So show your uniqueness in the office and see that you have been recognized in the office, and show something special in you when you are working in an organization. Best of luck for all of you.
Hello students, I'm very happy to share my feelings today about batch 2015-17. I always believe that quality is more important than quantity, and I can say that this has been proved in this batch, and I can give an example for this. See, whenever the students organize a freshers party, always they'll ask for an extra time, but this batch, when they organize the freshers party, they gave me a word that at sharp 6 o'clock they are going to end up, and I'm very happy with this batch that because they have kept their word and they have wind up the freshers party at sharp 6 o'clock. I would like to tell something more about the finance students as I spend much more time with them. I feel that in my class I have 5 finance students, and 5 finance students are equal to 5 fingers of the hand. As each finger has its own importance, I can say that my finance students also have, each student have their own importance. And I would like to conclude that by saying that I want to give all the best to all the students for their future. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So today it's being your farewell day. I thought of sharing few things about batch 15-17. So I've been closely associated with this batch because I'm being a placement manager and this is my first batch. Yeah, I think they're definitely going to remember me. That's for sure. And I'm going to remember them as it's being their first batch as a placement manager. And one thing I can tell you about this batch or about the farewell of today is because, see, they have attended many farewells in their 10th, plus 2 or graduation. But this farewell is totally, I feel it's a different farewell. Why? Because when they step out from the college, they'll step into the corporate to make their careers. So, in this regard, I can tell you one thing that, so they are very much closely associated with me because I have seen their different emotions. So I have seen they care and share each other, and I have seen their attitude. And definitely with this I can tell that, yeah, there are some good leaders are about to come from this batch. And not only this, come on, now it's time for you. It's time for you to get into the corporate. And farewell doesn't mean that you cry that you're missing each other. Am I right? You'll not cry now? That's sure. And now it's time for you to run for your goals. If you can't run, walk for your goals. If you can't walk, crawl for your goals. But make your parents proud, and your teachers proud, your faculty proud, your institution proud. And not only this, I can tell you one thing that, see, we miss you as a student, but you are always there or associated with us by as an ITM Warangal family alumni. So with this, I wish you all success and happiness. All the best.
Hi guys, it is very happy to share experience about PDDM 2015-17 batch. Overall, the experience with the batch is very good according to me. Fine. In the initial days, what I felt that many of you struggled to adjust with the course structure, timings and all, because this is a different environment and what you came from is a different environment. But after that initial beginning, everything went well. The real transformation what I observed is after the IIP, where you went 5 months for the Indian internship, where you developed many lot of the personalities and all. Overall, what I felt is that according to the attitude, discipline, as well as the group behavior was awesome, very good, as well as whatever be the given as an assignment and all, there was a lot of involvement, lot of participation was there from the student wise or group wise, right? On this occasion, I wish you all the best for you all the future endeavors, and hope that the relationship with you will be very fruitful in the future as an alumni of these institutions. Thank you very much. All the best.
Hi guys, 15-17 batch. It's hard to believe that you are leaving the campus, but yes, if you are leaving for a bright career to settle your life. That's good. I'm happy that you are going out and joining some corporates. Some of you have already joined. And if I have to say something about 15-17 batch in particular, what according to my observation, the common factor, very good factor, is that you are united, you are together, which is whatever the decisions you take united, which is the most important quality when you go out into the corporate world. I'm happy to see that quality in all of you. And personally, I have very good attachment with you guys because we did a lot of activities, we had a lot of fun inside the classroom, which was necessary for my sessions in that way. And with few of you, I have very good relationship. That good to know that. And yes, more than your juniors, we have good attachment because you are with us for 2 full years rather than with your juniors. Coming to my personal suggestions, are one thing. Personal suggestion is that I always tell to most of my students is give your first salary to your parents and see the glowness in their eyes. That is the most wonderful moment in your life. If you can do that, it's wonderful. Number 2, do not take any nasty decisions out of emotions when you work in companies. Give some time, hold to yourself, apply that EQ, emotional balance, whatever we have learned in inside sessions. It's really wonderful you being here. And one more thing important I want to share with you guys is ITM strength is alumni. So tomorrow you are going to be an alumni. I'm sure you'll be in good positions after 5 years from here. Give back, come back to the college, share your experiences, share your knowledge, and make this ITM more stronger. It's in your hands. You can come to us and meet and just share your valuable life. And I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful life. Have a beautiful wife, a lot of money, and enjoy your life. Stay healthy, stay wealthy, and do something for this country. All the best.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మరీ ముఖ్యంగా ఐటీఎం సీనియర్స్కు మీరు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నందుకు చాలా బాధగా ఉన్నా, దాంతోపాటు చాలా సంతోషంగా కూడా ఉంది నాకు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు అందరూ ప్లేస్ అయ్యి మంచి పొజిషన్తో వెళ్తున్నారు కాబట్టి మీరు ఇంకా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకా ఉన్నత స్థాయికి ఎదగాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Hi seniors and juniors. It's my pleasure to speak about seniors. In my ITM 3 years journey, this is the second batch. Coming to seniors, you just completed your academics, but remember we are all ITM family. Okay, I wish you very all the best for your success. Okay, thank you. And coming to juniors, thank you juniors for making this video. Thank you and enjoy. All the best.